We're told that delivering sales growth and increased productivity is easy. They say, just work smarter, not harder. But what do we do when everyone around us is pretty smart and we're already working really hard? So each year, sales managers are given new targets which require growth from our existing portfolio of clients. But how many key account managers have the time to stop work for a disciplined account planning process that combines a big picture analysis of where they should focus time and resources with a detailed examination of their high value accounts? So this workshop creates a rare opportunity for strategic planning and focus. We help sales teams to tailor and focus their sales activity to maximize the ROI from each client visit. During the workshop, we will review your client portfolio to ensure that resources are focused on the most high performance and high potential accounts. Then we'll help you to update your stakeholder maps for your top 3 client accounts to form plans to gather intelligence and influence key stakeholders. Finally, we'll analyse the goals and pain points of your decision makers to tailor your message and ensure that you're seen as a strategic partner, not a supplier. At the end of the workshop, you will have focused your thinking to identify where the sales growth will come from, prioritised and focused your sales activities to increase your productivity, and then understood your clients' needs at a deeper level to develop plans and strengthen and protect your relationships.